Whether you need vehicle maintenance or repairs, booking your next appointment at Performance Lexus RiverCenter is quick and easy. When you choose Performance Lexus RiverCenter, you choose convenience. Visit LexusRiverCenter.com where you can find limited time offers and coupons. Select the scheduled service option under the Service tab. Whether you need an oil change, new tires, engine maintenance, or more, our Lexus certified technicians are here to help. Input your vehicle information, select your service, and then make your appointment. Our service department includes genuine parts, Lexus experts, and complimentary amenities, including our valet service. If you don't have time to bring your vehicle to the dealership, we will pick it up for you at no additional charge. Simply call 859-547-5300 to schedule your pickup and delivery service. Choose convenience when you schedule your next service visit at Performance Lexus RiverCenter and discover why you deserve to choose performance.